students. A very good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you are good, isn't? Okay, so welcome back to your English class. So have you copied a character list on the notebook, students? Have you copied? Okay, so have you heard the story? Have you understood the story of the lesson 1? Okay, so just we can recall once. Okay, so what is the title of the lesson? Yeah, Tansen the magical musician, isn't? Tansen the magical musician. So in this story we are going to learn one of the important character. Who is that man? He is a Tansen. So he is a small boy like you, and how he became a very great musician. That only we are going to we learned in the story, isn't? I'm correct, students? Okay. So second character. Who is the second character, ma? Yeah, Mugant Mishra is in. Mugant Mishra is the second character. So who is this man, Mugant Mishra? Yeah, he was the father of our hero, isn't? That means he was the father of our Tansen and one of the wealthiest poet. Okay, Mugant Mishra is one of the wealthiest poet. Next, third character. Okay, say the third character, ma. Muhammad Diaz. Okay, Muhammad Diaz. He was the saint and he was one of the second music teacher of Tansen. Okay, he was one of the second music teacher of Tansen. Next, Haridas. Okay, so you know who is the Tansen? Who is Tansen? Yeah, he is the hero of our story. And the next character is Haridas. Okay, Haridas. Haridas. So you know Haridas is the first music teacher of who? Yeah, first music teacher of Tansen. Okay, and the next character is Ramachandra. Okay, so say the spelling, students. Ramachandra. Ramachandra. Okay, so he was the king of Rewa. So Rewa, what is meant by Rewa? Yeah, Rewa is one of the place that is near Gwalior. Okay, so another one character. Who is this? Yeah, Akbar. Akbar is the emperor of India. He is one of a famous man of India. And the last character is Rupa. So whether this character is a male character or female character? Yeah, female character. Okay, so what is the character? Rupa. She was the student of Haridas. So who is this Haridas? Haridas is the first teacher of Tansen. So this Tansen and Rupa is the student of Haridas. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the characters. And now you just listen. So have you understood the story, students? Last class I have explained the stories in the story of Tansen. Have you understood? Okay, so Tansen is a very small boy. So where do the story take place? The story take place in Gwalior. Is in Gwalior. Say the spelling, students. Gwalior. Gwalior. So this is one town and this is at the center of our India. Which is our country? Yeah, India is our country. So now you listen the story. I am just repeating it shortly. Okay. So in the place Gwalior, there is a tomb of Tansen. What is meant by tomb, students? Yeah, tomb means grave. That it is the Tansen's grave. Okay. So those are people living in this Gwalior, they imagines that if we touch the Tansen's tomb and if we touch near to the Tansen's tomb there is one tamarind tree. Okay, so that people believe that if we touch the tomb of Tansen and if we pluck the tamarind leaf and if we eat that leaf, what they believed, students? Yeah, they believe that their voice will be very sweet. So like that, this is one magical. Okay, so like that only the story is also a magical. So the story take place in Gwalior. In Gwalior, there is one wealthy poet. So what is the wealthy poet name? Yeah, very good. Who? Mugant Mishra is. So Mugant Mishra, he was a wealthy poet at Gwalior. So he lived with his wife. Where? In the town Gwalior. So they doesn't have children. So in order to have children, they went to meet one saint to get blessings from that saint. So what is the saint name? Yeah, the saint name is Muhammad Giyas. Is it Muhammad Giyas? So they went to meet the saint and the saint also blessed them. So after getting blessing from the saint, they got a child. Okay, so what is the child name? Yeah, that child name is Tansen. So he was the hero of our story, is it? Okay, so after Tansen's grown up, okay, so his father is thinking that, what is his father's name? Yeah, Muhammad Giyas. Sorry, what is father's name? Mugand Mishra, is it? Mugand Mishra is his father's name. So his father is thinking that he want to go to Muhammad Giyas and he want to study well. That means he want to study to read and write. Okay, so like that his father is thinking. But this small Tansen boy is very interested in going to forest with his friends, and he will go to forest and he will see the birds and animals sound, and he will also make how the bird is, he will also make noise how the bird is doing, is it? So like that he is making, like that he is also one of a naughty boy, okay? So one day in the forest, okay, this Tansen boy is spending time in the forest. Some of the singers, group of singers were crossing across the forest. So at that time this boy, Tansen boy, hide before the tree and he roar like a tiger, okay? And he roar like a tiger. So the group of singers were in fear, is it? Yeah, the group of singers were in fear. So what they did, yeah, they stopped and they are thinking what is going on here, okay? Like that they are afraid and they are thinking. So at that time this Tansen boy came out and he looked, okay? So that group of leader is only who? Yeah, Haridas, okay? Haridas is a group of leader, okay? So by hearing this voice, okay, Haridas is encouraging the Tansen, that he is saying that you have a nice voice. If you come with me, you will be a good singer, okay? Like that the Haridas is encouraging Tansen. So now Haridas is going and getting permission from Tansen's parents, okay? But okay, Tansen's mother is okay not interested to send him to this music class. But what? Unwillingly she also sent. Now Tansen is under the control of Haridas. We know Haridas is the first music teacher of Tansen, isn't it? Okay, so now Tansen is in the control of Haridas. He have learned many basic music. That means Sarigama Badanisa, like that. He have learned many basic music and he have become very famous in playing tambura. Okay, so he have become very famous in playing tambura. He have learned many ragas. What is mean by ragas, students? Yeah, ragas means tune, okay? So now he know how to, okay? When every people are in a happy mood, how we want to sing. When every people are sad, how we want to sing, okay? Like that, he knows every ragas and now he became a very great musician, okay? So like this, okay, 10 years he spent the time with this Haridas, okay? So after 10 years, he got a news that his father is so ill. So he went to meet his father. So after meeting his father said that you go to Muhammad Giyas and you learn the music well, okay? So by his father's request, this Tansen went to Muhammad Giyas. So Muhammad Giyas was the very good second music teacher of Tansen. So now Tansen also became very great musician. So by this Muhammad Giyas, Tansen became very good friend with Ramachandra. So who is this Ramachandra? Who is this Ramachandra? Yeah, he was the king of Rewa. So Rewa is one of the place. So in that place, Ramachandra is the king. So he went to meet, okay, he met the Ramachandra and he became very good friend with Ramachandra. Okay, so now Ramachandra also willing, okay, he also agreed to have Tansen as a music teacher for his court, okay. So now Tansen went to Ramachandra's court as a music teacher, okay. So at that time, this Akbar, who is this Akbar, ma? Yeah, Akbar is the emperor of India. At that time, this Akbar also went to meet this Ramachandra. So when he is going to meet this, when he met this Ramachandra, he saw this Tansen boy who is who is performing well in the music. So now Akbar want Tansen to be as a musician for him. So now at last Tansen also went in Akbar's court, okay, as a musician. Okay, so like that Akbar also became good friends at last. Okay, so like this Tansen's fame is spread everywhere. Okay, so in the Akbar's court there were many enemies among Tansen. Okay, enemies were 10. So these enemies thought that we want to send off this Tansens away. So what these enemies did? Yeah, they went to Akbar and they said that, okay, the king, you please make this, king, you please make this Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. So in the last class itself I had explained what is meant by Deepak Raga. Isn't students? Yeah, Deepak Raga is a very difficult raga. Okay, so if anybody sing Deepak Raga, okay, the surrounding of the place will become very hot and the singer will burn in fire. Okay, so like that on difficult raga only Deepak Raga. This enemies and all thought like that and they asked the Akbar to Akbar to ordered the Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. Okay, so now Akbar also ordered it, but Tansen know that it is a difficult song. You see, Deepak Raga is a difficult song. So, but Akbar is not at all hearing Tansen's word. At the end of the story, okay, this Tansen got one idea and he called this Ruba. Okay, so Ruba also one of the student of Haridas. So he called this Ruba and what he said means, okay, you sing a Meg Raga. I will sing first Deepak Raga. After that, you want to sing Meg Raga. Okay, so like that he said. So Meg Raga is a very nice song. That means if anybody sing Meg Raga, okay, our sky will be very dark, rains will be flood in our world. So like that. So now they were decided and they start to sing. Okay, now Tansen is singing Deepak Raga. So at that time, okay, so now Tansen is sitting here and Ruba is sitting here. Tansen started to sing Deepak Raga. At that time the whole place surrounded by heat. Okay, so whole place surrounded by heat. Tansen's body also become very fire. Okay, so after finishing this Deepak Raga, after Tansen finished singing this Deepak Raga, suddenly Ruba started to sing Meg Raga. Okay, so now Tansen going out. Why? Because his body is full of fire, isn't it? So now he goes out and after when Ruba started to sing Meg Raga, okay, so the rain came and flood in the world and Tansen's fire and all went away and everybody's become very happy. Okay, so by singing this Deepak Raga only, Tansen became very famous musician. Okay, so now Tansen is not there in our world. He had died. So in the Gwalior there is a tomb of Tansen. Okay, so every musician will come to this tomb. Okay, this tomb of Tansen and they will give one piece to this Tansen. Okay, so by singing this Deepak Raga only, Tansen became very famous musician. Have you understood the story, students? Okay, so in the last class itself I have told the stories in. So now this class also I have told. So I hope you are very thorough in the stories in. So now okay, I have prepared for you notes. Okay, for lesson 1 notes. So today we can see only the meaning, opposite and verb form. Okay students, only meaning, opposite and verb form. Okay, so students, I will send this notes to your WhatsApp group. So what you want to do? You want to copy it on your booklet. Okay, put lesson 1 Tansen the Magical Musician and study notes. Okay, put study notes and you write every questions in one booklet. Okay students, so just listen. Roman letter 1 meanings. Okay, Roman letter 1 meanings. First question, imitate. What is the meaning of imitate, students? Imitate means copy. Okay, see, look at the spelling, C-O-P-Y, copy. Okay ma. And the second question is discipline. What is the meaning of disciple? Okay, what is the meaning of disciple? Disciple means student. Okay, S-T-U-D-E-N-T, student. And the third question, reluctantly. Okay, reluctantly. What is the meaning of reluctantly? Reluctantly means unhappily. That means Very sad. Okay, reluctantly means very sad. Look at the spelling of unhappily. UNHAPPILY. Okay, unhappily. And the fourth question, fury. FURY, fury. So fury is fury. For fury meaning is danger. DANGER, danger. And the fifth question is perspiring. Okay, perspiring. 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 So what is the meaning of perspiring? Yeah, sweating. SWEATING. That means it is very taste. Okay, sweating means yeah, taste. Next, second Roman letter, opposites. So what is the opposite of advantage? Yeah, advantage, opposite, disadvantage. DISADVANTAGE, disadvantage. And the second opposite, fortunate. What is the opposite of fortunate? Yeah, unfortunate. Okay, so before fortunate, you want to add two letters, UN. Okay, unfortunate. And the third one, encourage. Okay, so encourage means we are encouraging one person. So what is the opposite of encourage? Yeah, discourage. Discourage means, yeah, we are saying that you cannot do anything. Like that we will discourage the persons, no. So that is the meaning of discourage. So, okay, encourage opposite, yeah, discourage. And the fourth one, perfect. Opposite of perfect, yeah, imperfect. Perfect means, yeah, everything is in perfect mode. Imperfect means, everything is in collapse, like that. And fifth one is ordered. Okay, ordered. For opposite ordered, yeah, pleaded. Okay, have you understood, students? And the third Roman letter, see the third Roman letter, verb form. Okay, so verb form. So present tense, past tense, past participle. Okay, present tense, past tense, past participle. So first, present tense, create. Okay, so the word create, so how we want to use in past tense? Yeah, created. Okay, so in the past participle, created. Same only. Past tense also created, past participle also created. And second one, sing. Okay, so present tense is sing. He is singing the song, sing. So past tense means past. Sing, so how we want to use? Yeah, sang. S-A-N-G, sang. Past participle, that means sung. S-U-N-G, sung. Okay, have you understood, students? Okay, third one, steal. S-T-E-A-L, steal. Okay, present tense, steal. So for steal, past tense, stole. S-T-O-L-E, stole. Past participle, yeah, stolen. S-T-O-N-E-N, stolen. Okay. Next, fourth one, spread. Okay, present tense, spread. So past tense, spread, and past participle also spread. Okay, the three things are correct. And the fifth one, burn. Okay, B-U-R-N, burn. For burn, say the past tense. Yeah, burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burn. For past participle also burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burnt. Okay, so we have discussed the story once again, and we have discussed the meaning, opposite, and verb form. Listen, students. Okay, so this one I will give it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so when you receive this meaning, opposite, and verb form, please take a new page and put lesson 1, Tansen. Okay, put the title and study notes. Okay, put study notes and write. Okay, see the note and write. Okay, so when the interactive section also I will check. So when you are coming to school also, I will check your answers. Okay, ma'am. So shall we end the class today? Okay, so be happy. Okay, and be safe with your family every day. Obey your parents. Okay, ma'am. So we can meet in the next class. Thank you.